Our next summer SOS question is here. Baby girl, I have the summer SOS solutions for you. Great digestive health comes down to using products that work at the microbiome level. Like these ones. This is the Bloating Bundle. By incorporating these 3 life-changing formulas into your daily routine, trust me, you will digest what you like. Bloating and water weight will not be a problem, and your poops will be perfect. Bye by Bloat has those digestive enzymes that are going to help you digest gluten and dairy and keep you debloated. Charcoal fiber for perfect poops. Fiber actually feeds your gut bacteria. They love to eat fiber. Nom, 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 nom. Gut feelings probiotics. This is my favorite probiotic. You just take 1 capsule every single day. It helps to support the gut microbiome, and as a result, great digestion, but also a ton of immune support. Now, how do we make such life-changing formulas that work at the microbiome level? It's about ingredient superiority. You think I am gonna put sugar in your supplement? No. And I would never make a product that I wouldn't use myself. Thanks for your question. The Bloating Bundle is what I recommend for you.